Orientation. Today, we step into lesson 3, one of the most enjoyable parts of the program. Common verbs, commands, and descriptive words. This is where your ma begins to move, to breathe, and to act. Because once you know action words, you can start forming real conversations. Are you ready? Let's begin. We are going to look at some of the most common verbs. In Ma, most verbs begin with a, meaning to. But when giving a command, the sound shifts. It becomes e, t, or sometimes n. For example, alutu means to come. But when you command someone come, you say whoa. Same with alo, meaning to go. When you command someone go, you say shomo. Another example, ayau, to bring. When you command someone bring, you say iau, etc, etc. Please refer to the PDF lesson for more on this. These commands are the heartbeat of daily Maasai life. We go to adjectives. Now, once you know verbs, the next step is describing things. Words like sapuk to mean big or kiti to mean small or ngejuk to mean new or musana to mean old or nairoshi to mean heavy. And even more of these adjectives are in your PDF lesson. Please consult. These help you paint a picture when you speak. For example, enkaji sapuk to mean a big house, or enkine kiti to mean a small goat, etc, etc. So now I am going to invite you into an attempt at putting these together. Shall we? Let's bring verbs and adjectives into real sentences. Example, nanwe ngodwen kiteng, I will look for the cow. Kweta yorkeju, you run to the river. Eyeri tenda, he or she is cooking food, etc, etc. Every sentence